सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Schneider Electric Infrastructure Limited received a notice from the Commercial Taxes Department Tamil Nadu regarding discrepancies in documentation for goods and conveyance. The notice, received on April 7, 2025, levies a penalty of 39,93,120 Indian rupees and requires a response within 7 days. The company is pursuing legal remedies but states the impact on operations and financials is not material. Refex Green Power Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Refex Renewables and Infrastructure Limited, has been awarded a contract by Madurai City Municipal Corporation to establish a 250 TPD municipal solid waste-based bio-CNG plant in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. The project, estimated at 78 rupees and 54 paise crore, will be executed under a design, build, finance, operate and transfer basis for 20 years. The project is scheduled to be commissioned within 19 months from the concession agreement signing, expected within 30 days of the letter of acceptance dated April 5, 2025. Trishakti Industries Limited has received a contract worth 25 million Indian rupees from Larsen and Toubro Limited (L&T) to supply advanced earth-moving heavy equipment for L&T's ongoing metro project. This contract is expected to positively impact Trishakti Industries' financial performance in the coming quarters. Atishay Limited has secured a new work order worth 149 rupees and 68 paise lakhs from the State Health Assurance Society, Government of Odisha, for printing and delivering PVC Ayushman/Up Panjay Gaje co-branded cards for 10 districts. This order is to be completed within 180 days and follows 2 previous contracts awarded by the same authority, totaling a cumulative value of 550 rupees and 26 paise lakhs. This reinforces Atishay Limited's position as a trusted partner for government initiatives. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।